I see the sunrise creeping in. Everything changes like the desert wind. Here she comes and then she's gone again. And I'm just a traveler on this earth. Sure as my heart's behind the pocket of my shirt. I just keep rolling till I'm in the dirt, 'cause I'm
So I just got done at the gym, extra sweaty, but I am headed back home. I have to run by Publix to grab a couple things that we need, but I have about 50 minutes before I start work, so hoping I can get home and maybe even have time to shower, I'm not sure. So we'll see. But the workout was good. It was back, upper and lower, so all of the posterior part of the body, and it felt good. Wasn't like major weight on anything, but it was a lot of good movements, and the warm-up was actually really good. It included a row, which got me out of breath, but I'll put it in here in case anybody wants to do it, because it was a good one.
See, I'm the spit of you, and I'm not wrong. Bury my head too. Stomach hurts all the time, can't shift it. Being like that sincere, knotted up with the baggage, neck like a stone. Oh, sounds just like you, smashing cups off the floor and kicking walls through. That's me and you. I can talk to anyone, I can talk to anyone. I can't talk to you. I can talk to anyone, I can talk to anyone. I can't talk to you. You kissed the forehead.
Look at those little teeth. Don't paw it. Don't you dare cheat. Don't you dare cheat. Give me a little crusty nose. Oh, you like that. Yeah, you like that shit.
Walking in the rain. Please. Okay, so there is lawn people outside, but I wanted to film this because I'm so excited, and I'm sure other people would like to watch this too. Anyway, you know how a couple of videos ago I showed you this little case? Well, the camera came in. I'm so excited because I've never had a camera. Anyway, so this is what it looks like inside. I don't have them in their actual slots, but this is the camera. Look at how tiny it is. That's my hand. It's the same size as my hand. So it's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. You ready? I'm gonna turn it on. It's like a old flip phone from the early 2000s. That turned it on. That's crazy. This is the viewfinder. The actual screen is back here. You can flip it around. And then you can use the gimbal little remote to move the camera in any direction. That is the coolest thing. Anyway, we'll turn that off. It also came with attachments. So it has this little thing. You pop it in here. And I already have the tripod screwed in because I've been practicing. But you can set it up. And then it also has this little attachment. So you pop it in and it's a battery bank. Isn't that cool? So you pop it back out. And then we have the microphone. And I've practiced with it one time. I need to practice with it again because I'm sure that I'll use it in Tokyo. Anyway, it is the coolest thing ever. I'm so excited. And there's a wide lens. So I'll show you. I'll pop it on again. And then there's the lens. I'm gonna pop it on right there. And it went to a wide lens. Isn't that so cool? And so now I'll insert the footage from the camera here because I've been using my phone this entire time, which has worked great. But this was an investment that I've really been wanting over a year and I finally got it. So I'll insert the footage here. I'm gonna start recording. Then I'll turn you around. We'll see the difference in the sound quality as well. Let me turn you around. There we go. It's so tiny. The screen is like this big. That is so cool. Let's see if we can turn on facial track. I did it earlier. We'll see. Okay. It's following me. That is so cool. Anyway, this is the new camera. I'm hoping the quality is better. Also, I bought this case separately. It's from Skytree. It's waterproof. It's a hard case, so it won't lose its shape. And it just opens, and it has its slots for everything. So that's the camera, the tripod, battery bank, mic, other little attachment, and then it has all of these slots for SD cards. I have the wide lens here, and then it also came with, I didn't show this in the other clip, this little magnet. I'm not sure if that's just kind of like a keep and put it on the fridge type of thing, but it also goes over the lens as a lens cap. I don't know if that's its function, but that's what me and Josh did. And then it opens here, and I am keeping an extra little mic, little fluff thing, and then its power cord in there. But honestly, keep whatever. But it is really small. Let me zip it up, and I think it'll fit inside my purse perfectly. So.
Fiona.
Do you hear him groaning?
Yeah, I hear him groaning. Is that diabetes I hear? Are you diabetic? Or are you just obese? You've gained 20 pounds in 2 years. Miranda.
Good morning. I am making coffee. And it's my third one. Here's the coffee. It is our Saturday today. It's technically Wednesday, but it is our Saturday. and I slept in a little bit, and then I trained one of my clients, and then I've been watching TV. But Josh is still asleep, but I'm not sure what the plan is today because it's still cloudy and stormy outside, so we'll see. I know I need to go by storage and get a bag for Japan to pack my clothes in, and I need to look through all of my carry-ons to see what I want to pack everything in, so we'll see if we get around to doing that today. But I'm gonna go sit upstairs with Josh, have a coffee, and watch more TV, and it'll be good. Here's Renee. Wait for me. Hold on. For this, wait. For this. Oh, fog. Come on. Let's go. So make a nighttime magnesium with me. I just start with ice, and then I start with the magnesium powder. I've been using this powder since I was like 16, on and off. I'm not regular with it. I need to get regular with it. Used to use it for acne, and now I use it to help me go to the bathroom. And then you just add water and stir it up, but it does help with sleep and bathroom.
I want it, Lord.
What is? What is? Does you want to wee? You see the wee? Is it my spot? Yes. Yes. Oh.
I'm a traveler. Oh, I'm a traveler. I couldn't tell you, honey. I don't know where I'm going, but I've got to go. 'Cause every turn reveals some of the road, and I'm a traveler. Oh, I'm a traveler. My heartbeat's rhythm is a lonesome sound, just like the rubber turning on the ground. Always lost and nowhere bound. I'm just a traveler on this earth, showing my heart behind the pocket of my shirt. I just keep rolling till I'm in dirt, 'cause I'm a traveler. Oh, I'm a traveler. I couldn't tell you, honey, I don't know where I'm going, but I've got to go. 'Cause every turn reveals some of the road, and I'm a traveler. Oh, I'm a traveler. When I'm gone, somebody else will have to feel this wrong. Somebody else will have to sing this song. Somebody else will have to sing along. Sing along. I'm just a traveler on
So I just got done at the gym, and it's Friday, July 12th, and we leave for Japan next week, but I'm hanging out with Amanda today. We planned it a little bit ago. We're gonna go have lunch, and then we're gonna get our nails done, and then we're gonna go thrift shopping, which I'm super excited about because it's so much fun hanging out with her and doing those things. So I'm excited. We're gonna go to this Cuban place, but I'm parked on Cincinnati Street in St. Augustine. It's where Sunday the restaurant is, and it's actually perfect because it's free, parallel parking, and there's usually open spaces. So I'm parked here waiting for her, and then we're gonna carpool over to the Cuban place. So it's gonna be fun. I'm excited. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for my nails. I'm thinking like green, similar to this, but we'll see. So I am on work. I put the face tracking enabler on, so it's gonna move with me, which is so crazy. Anyway, I'm on work and it's totally chill. It's Friday night, so it should be a quiet night at work, and I am happy about that. But I am home. Me and Amanda had the best time. I had we went to this Cuban place and I got a bowl of chicken rice and beans and a coffee, and then she got the same thing, and I got Josh the sandwich and a little rice pudding bowl, and then we went and got our nails done. These are my nails. I did a green, like matcha green, and I like it. Part of me, 5% of me doesn't like the chrome, but the rest of me does like the chrome, and I think it'll be cute with like holding a matcha in Japan. Even though I don't like matcha, it'll be Josh's matcha that I use for a little photo opportunity. But I think it'll be cute. And yeah, so it was a super fun day. Then we went to a couple of thrift places. However, they were not thrift. They were antique pricing. So we did some eye shopping in there. But yeah, it was a fun day. I think we're gonna try and get together one more time before we go up. Me and Josh go up in the fall to Pittsburgh. So we'll see. But my sister's coming the first week of, or second-ish week of August. I'm super excited because I'm sure we'll do similar things, going to like thrift places and outings in St. Augustine, which will be fun. But I'm just chilling. I did a clean of the house, and I'll do another clean of the house before we leave. We have 4 days until we leave, and it's starting to feel very real. It'll feel even more real like when I pack my bag. I've kind of already thought about the outfits, which I think I'm going to make a TikTok, because I would like to watch a TikTok like that, and I've seen where girls like go to Tokyo or Europe and they do like their 2 week what they pack, and I find those so much fun to watch. So anyway, I'm gonna get back on work. Well, actually, I'm on work. I'm just not doing anything, and watch TV. And that's about it for this night. It's a Friday night. I know Josh is gonna play tonight, so I'm probably gonna watch Hawaii Five-0. A bunch of episodes, probably. Goodness, are your ears so big? Your ears is the biggest.
Hey! What is heavy cream? Oh my god! Get up the wrong line. I smell like booty crumbs.
Oh my god. From the pepper?
extract was called Satan's Blood.
What did you send me? What did you send me? That was worse than the hot sauce. Bro, what was
You see,
that?
he thought
That
it
was
wasn't gonna be as bad as some hot sauce he
That's
tried.
worse than the hot sauce is.
Dang. I like those. I think those are good. You
Now get
wish
this
you
away
had like
from
a
me.
spray though that would.
No, get this away from me. This is the most disgusting thing I've ever
Protect
tasted in
them,
my
you know?
life.
Hmm?
That's
I'm
bad.
talking about like a spray.
It literally
protect
tastes
them.
like liquidized eggs. There's no shot. That's terrible.
So I'm gonna make some tea before bed. It's currently like 10 something. So I'm gonna have tea, shower, get back on work, and then get ready for bed. This is my teapot. I got it from World Market. I'm gonna fill it up with water. So it looks like it should be from like a book, you know. This is the tea that I like. It is the honey chai turmeric vitality tea, and it's really good. It's like sweet but not crazy sweet, but it's also not way too turmeric-y tasting, so it's pretty good. But thanks so much for watching this vlog. I hope it was entertaining. I'm trying out the new camera, so I will learn and get better with the angles and the turning and all that stuff, so it'll get better. But I do like the quality of it. I want to play around with some of the settings and learn the lighting and stuff. So anyway, I am gonna go shower and have a chill night. See you next time, the next vlog. I think I'm gonna try and get one more out before we leave for Japan, and then the next vlogs after that will be Japan vlogs, which is crazy. But anyway, hope y'all have a good night and see you next time.